If you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing and sharing. How do you like this picture of Mark Rober? If you don't know who Mark Rober is, he's a successful and fun YouTuber. I'll put a link to Mark Rober's channel in the video description. Here we go. Yesterday I was using Google Jamboard, a collaborative digital whiteboard, and it dawned on me, this could be a tool used to create free thumbnails, quick and easy. Go to Google Jamboard and click Get Started. To start a new Jamboard page, click the plus button in the lower right-hand corner. You can give your Jamboard page a title in the upper left-hand corner. I'll title this page YouTube Thumbnail. The top horizontal menu has a tab for backgrounds. Let's take a quick look at the black background. Oh, that looks pretty good. We'll go back to that later. This menu also lets you choose the size of font and offers a small variety of colors. The vertical menu on the left-hand side has a tab for text. It has a tab for the laser pointer, the text. You can insert circles, insert photos. You can put post-it notes on your Jamboard. It has an eraser and a pen. These are all the tools you need to make a thumbnail. I created this thumbnail using only Jamboard. Watch how easy it is to change the background of the thumbnail. Here's a look at the thumbnail with a grid pattern. The same grid pattern in gray, a blue background, and a black background. Now watch how easy it is to change the text color or the text. It really is that simple. If you like this video tutorial, please consider subscribing and sharing. And don't forget, check out Mark Rober's YouTube channel. The link is in the description.